discover that history was made right here on the front steps of the old King's house on the 1st of August 1838. This is where the governor of Jamaica, Sir Lionel Smith, read the proclamation abolishing slavery in Jamaica and the other British territory. This is Jamaica. You can come on our big tree and pick plum. Oh, look at the plum tree already. You can come and you can pick any other plum you want. And it's so cool under here. Like even though it's a little bit hot, breeze under here is spectacular. You can put on a nice little chair up there, so just sit down and relax yourself. Yay! So we do it. See again, big mango tree. When the mango here ripe, you don't even have to ask. You can just pick because once the mangoes are outside of the yard, they are free for passers-by. Get up, Lisa. Just coming from down the road, they have a cookout. Some will collect food, steamed fish, and mummy. And then they get a free drink, so we call it tropical rhythms. Cause a long time we drink tropical rhythms. Yes, don't look on the road will fix. So next mango tree. So no matter how you're hungry, you can stop and pick up the fruits and full of belly. I'm going to see ackee out there on the ackee tree as well. So you can buy some flour and cook ackee. You're good to go. Them things they don't have a foreign. I collected. It was not for it. I could choose any of those. See, I do all like a thing, yeah. So I go up on the road. Luckily, it's cloudy and it look like rain I go fall. And I lost my umbrella. See, brown money, I take a taxi. Yeah. Brown money, I got. So you met me there, wait upon you. Yes, you, bro. Just you well want to say hello to me. All right. Like when it's cloudy, because that means there's not a lot of sun directly in your face, you know what I mean? So that's good. My sister said me dress like tourists. Should me have a Japan t-shirt? Tourists, well, maybe me look like tourists for true because my shirt crush up. And usually people in Jamaica press their clothes because people love watch people, you know. And I like for anyway, nobody in a business with nobody. Everybody do them own thing. People love watch people here. Oh, you couldn't press a shirt. So all me have to tell people, say, mind your business. I'm gonna have my nice. Because Jamaica, we don't use plastic bag again. So I have my eco bag. She said a tourist bag. Okay. Neeseberry, no long me not eat neeseberry. I make me a taste I want it right now.
You get good things where taste able that you remember when you did buy it. Right,
remember right as a
why you walk out there so. I just want to say for the window man. If you come and you see something for the window you know see, me not going nowhere, me kind of right in the road there so.
Alright.
Right when you step down, you stand up right there so. I'm going to say me not go no further from the road pack out my so. Alright, guys, me can say if
it's very sweet for true, Jesus.
If you don't get none tomorrow.
So of course you get neeseberry from January.
My God. Because they couldn't your man know. People complain. You see, there is some big ones, but they couldn't heat. By raining and falls, and I rain, bring them up. I first make it.
Oh my.
So I get one and I could set tomorrow again. I mean, now I say Saturday, so after I have it.
Okay, so if I want more, I forgot come tomorrow.
Right, if I get done tomorrow, after I have it. Yeah.
Then yes, good for you, and I lie, I tell.
How much you, my girl? Me not sell my thing. Any kind of food, I sell mango, anything I sell. Because whatever I sell, and when I eat. So
yes.
Anytime you pass and see anything you saw, you can buy nothing. Yeah. That it me care good. And if me buy something then not good.
Yeah.
And you know good and you gone, everybody want them till gone. What me do with it?
Actually,
when I rubbish man out there, so me can't care.
And you see money if you go eat it.
But eat what you can't eat, so it don't make sense.
So you have to sell good things.
Right. And you hear me say? Me no want you walk out there so and hold your head straight. Me want you walk right here.
Me say me can't wait because me nobody now get no money neeseberry, you know. They could have begged till them blue.
If they say you have, they don't tell them say you have it.
They put it on YouTube, but they not get to the yard. Alright.
Alright, thank you.
Spanish Town Post Office. I want to tear up the shots. King Streets. I gotta see if the museum open. A part of Jamaica where everybody not show you. Them all British buildings. See what is going on. People's Museum Monday to Thursday, 9 to 4:30. Okay. We're going in. This is the entrance. This one lady, I'm gonna ask her because I don't know where to go. Good day. I don't know how the museum work. Is there a somewhere where I can get information? The office right person? Yeah, alright, thanks. Go run to the office, go see what I want. Wow, this is the old capital. So I guess these kids are here just to explore the museum like myself. So let me go inside and find out how it works. Hi, good morning. Are you the person I should ask about the museum? Oh. No, just coming off the road. How does it work?
Okay, adult is $600.
So look around and so on.
Yeah.
Okay. Where do I pay? Wish I can my tripod stand because I want to get some nice shots. Even at some of those places. Watch it, the kids that wave to the airplane. As that me used to do when I was cleaner. Me used to call to my cousin them. Shanique, may I bring one dollar for me? Send something for me. Yes, me used to think they're far in the sky. Wow, horse and carriage. Wow. Them have up on the something say them have pastry, souvenir, blah blah blah, read in the memory. When me go over there, a court's office. So things change up. Sign there, and me run on in there. I know that today, a different city. Boy. Ah, Jesus. Woman must wonder. I wonder if me a Jamaican rotted. Alright, let me go back over the museum. But all along me live in Jamaica, I don't come to them place here, you know. I not even come over them place here and enjoy it. Emancipation Square. Because oh, this one look a couple over there, so House of Assembly. And then you see it's a nice little park, you know. You have place to sit down and pool right there, so but I don't think nothing in it. No water in it. I'm not in a business with them park here. Jamaica Heritage Trail. I'll go over there so go look what that say. Spanish Town. I grew up in a place called De La Vega. So this is written in Spanish. Is this Spanish? Yeah. Fundada en 1534, Villa de la Vega se sucedió como capital de la isla a Sevilla la Nueva. Yes, all Spanish. Look, I see. Zoom in. Walk around and see what I want. The old courthouse. I guess that's it over there. Old courthouse. Abolition of slavery in Jamaica, August morning.
To house the island's law courts in 1890. It sits on the site of the principal church on the island on the Spanish.
And succeeding, Spanish Town Jamaica.
Kadian is at the People's Museum in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, and she is taking a stroll to the Lady Nugent's bathtub, which is inside of the old King's house that was built in 1762, right, for the governor of Jamaica. So she's exploring it, as you can clearly see. Yes, it is huge. And she's having a good time. She's touring the premises and the museum today. Yes, and thanks to the lovely Zainan, my tour guide today. She did a wonderful job, so knowledgeable. I'll show you like clippings of stuff, but you just need to come here. This is in Spanish Town, and it's one of the places that people don't know. It's in Spanish Town. You need to come and experience it for yourself. Lovely, lovely, lovely experience. Well, let me just finish taking a bath, so see you. Where the Emancipation Proclamation? Yes, this is where Emancipation was granted. Wow. At the not People's Museum, at the old King's house, Governor's residence. So, I'm going to climb up, open the door. Don't drop off, please. Because we can't catch it. I want to take you outside. Oh yeah, look for lizard. That's why I stop to find out if somebody is here. See here? On the steps of the portico of this building. On August 1st, 1838, the governor of Jamaica, Sir Lionel Smith, read the proclamation abolishing slavery in Jamaica and other British territories. So this is where it took place. 311,000 Black Jamaicans were freed on that day. So they got their abolition from slavery on that day. So happy time! Right here in the Emancipation Square. Big party. It's a big thing, and that's something every Jamaican should know. Yes. So what about these things? They've been here all along? Like you don't replace them? Wow. These are the lamps, and this is the veranda or the portico of the old King's house that was built in 1762. It cost £27,000 in its heyday. Wow, look at the structure. However, the governor transferred his residence and the capital to Kingston in 1872. Home to the museum. Wow, interesting. Have been broken that day. Freedom! Free at last! Amazing, oh my God. Can you imagine you're standing on the ground where your ancestors fought for you to be free today? Something not to take lightly. It's amazing. When you come to the museum, you will see the lifestyle of the slaves what they did after slavery, how they survived. Why is it that Jamaicans are so resourceful? You will learn all of that. Just come to the People's Museum right here in Spanish Town Square, near the post office and the municipal corporation, municipal office, right over there. So that's a parish council, and we have Rodney Memorial, the archives, and we have the old courthouse, and we have the old King's House, and in the stables we have the People's Museum. Look at the architecture of its time. It was built in 1762. Wow. And still standing. Thank you. That was gosh, this was such an amazing tour. As you would have seen, the tour guide, very knowledgeable. The customer service is so good, and she said that they actually get a few persons coming here, mostly schools though, on excursions. So you'll have group of students coming in. I think it is important for every Jamaican child to get this information. So I'm heading through the side entrance that will take me into the town of Spanish Town. Not sure what this is. I perceive it must have been like some rooms, but if you see the map, if you come and see the replica of the place, then you'll see. And they have events here. They do hold events, and they have different things that you can come in as a member of the public to enjoy. All right. Oh gosh, how open that gate here now? At least I'm dropping on my head in a pear tree there on here, so. Whew. Okay, the gate take me back to the post office side. Okay. Wow. This was really good. Listen to me, every Jamaican should come and experience this. When you know your pass, you're better able to enter your future. This is a place that Kadian has visited. She's enjoying, and all Jamaicans should know and visit. That's right. Amazing, amazing. It's the building there where we see at the museum. See? The mirror was well built, you know. Still up to this day. We're approaching Spanish Town High School. This is my high school. The brick building still stands. Next time I'll go over there, so I'm going to do a part 2 in this series. One thing in Jamaica, you have to have man called here. Watch the man there in the truck. I call about eye sexiness. Them something there a long time, I don't hear them something there, you know. Side of the school, them apparently have some thing going on. I'm heading into the town itself.
Coconut water.
Someone have coconut water.
Coconut water.
Someone.
Hey, school coconut water here. Coconut.
Wholesale Chinaman shop. Things are supposed to be cheaper in here, but in Jamaica everything expensive now. So you have to just buy what you buy. Alright, me look for same place there. All kind of sitting everything you want in here. Anything you want, you can get it. So I'm not off them already. Touch the line. Whoa. Make it. I'm not how long they wait. I've shop it. Finally get my KFC my order Zinger box. So the big Zinger box, we get we take barbecue Zinger. Look how it big. Look how it big. And we get spicy chicken and coleslaw and drinks. I can't wait to bite in my Zinger. Best Jamaican KFC. True, man. See there? This is it. A real thing, this. A real.